I will tomorrow chair a committee on national disaster response, incorporating all stakeholders, including our development partners and humanitarian agencies. The multi-agency Emergency Response Center has been activated from 4 p.m. this afternoon and shall be domiciled at Nyayo House to monitor what is happening across the country and initiate immediate interventions to save lives and property. All internally displaced persons will be facilitated to find alternative settlement. In extreme cases, the National Youth Service will provide shelter to the most vulnerable members of our society. We request the people of Kenya to cooperate in this exercise for their own safety.